How to stop a cat fight.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Oh.
There's a thin line between love and hate.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Sorry, he's new here.
Sometimes cats are too clumsy or even overestimate their abilities. No one was hurt. Criminal steals chicken.
Hey, no, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Stop it. Stop it.
You can tell by the expression on this cat's face that he wants to ask his owner, "Why do I need to shower again?"
I'm sorry, I just want to eat your mom's food. She told me to have one.
Greedy cat. All food is only for mom. Buddies watching their favorite show. Dance like nobody's watching.